In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off self-view on Zoom. If you're like many of us, constantly seeing your own image during a Zoom call can be a bit distracting or even anxiety-inducing. Removing your self-view can make your video meetings feel more like face-to-face conversations, helping you to focus on what matters most, the people you're talking to. I'll walk you through the simple steps to do this effectively and enhance your Zoom experience. First, let's open Zoom and start a meeting. You can schedule one ahead of time or commence an instant meeting to follow along. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the control bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll find various options including mute, stop video, and participants. For today's purpose, make sure your video is on so you can see yourself. This is important because we want to make these adjustments while your video feed is visible. Locate your self-view. It usually appears in a little box with your name in the corner of your screen. You might notice other participants lined up or displayed prominently, but our goal here is to modify your view of yourself. Now, hover over the top right corner of your video thumbnail until you see a few options appear, such as close or pin video. What you're looking for is hide self-view. It might not be obvious at first glance, so take your time to explore these options. Once you click on hide self-view, voila, your own video will disappear from your view, though rest assured that others in the call can still see your video without any interruption. One thing to note is that the lack of self-view doesn't affect how others see you. It's purely a personal setting. To bring back your view, navigate to the view options, usually found at the top right of the Zoom window, and select Show Self-View. Knowing how to toggle between these viewing modes can help you customize your video call interface depending on your needs at any given moment. While you're experimenting with these settings, consider also exploring other Zoom customization features, such as changing your virtual background or adjusting camera settings for optimal lighting. These small tweaks can make a big difference in how you present yourself professionally or casually. And there you have it, a straightforward process to turn off self-view on Zoom. With just a few clicks, you can ease the strain of constantly seeing yourself on screen and improve your focus on other meeting participants. Removing self-view isn't just about decluttering your screen, it's about promoting a more natural and engaging virtual interaction. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips on optimizing your digital meetings, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic Zoom experience.